The veteran experience here in as we begin our ball game, Christian.
Tama ka dyan, no? And I've been really impressed, no, with the team specifically itong dalawang kaputan na maglalaro ngayon. Along with, you might be surprised for me to say this, Marikina. As JJ Casme hits the first basket. Because Marikina, if you look at the standings, which we showed earlier, months of their big man upgrade. Talk about Quezon, as he said, Manzano, who was the best player in the first game. But you talk about these two teams playing now, Yambing, I've been really impressed.
He's playing with a lot of confidence now.
It's na, tulad ng sinabi mo.
Had a
best player yan.
Yeah, spectacular game against his former team.
And syempre, I like the braids as well. Alam mo naman ako, yung insecurity ko sa mga Mimo Hope.
Cruz will launch the three. No. Viloria taps it to CJ Isit. Ablaza running the floor. Ablaza sa gitna with a finger roll.
And that's the one you like when you have set up.
Ramirez, mahina ang pasa. Viloria comes out with the steal. Oh, nice D by Recto, but Abdul able to finish.
Gandang pick-up din ito para sa Batangas, no? We talked about Mindoro last year.
Meanwhile, let's bring in Mika Abisamis.
You talked about Ino Combo. He's 28 but has already been given huge responsibilities in his young pro career. Played for San Miguel right after FEU. Played 3x3 in the PBA as well.
Sian Lim, who played for
Derek
Mandaluyong.
Ramsey.
Derek Ramsey, who played for Batangas. Kasama pa natin sa Dubai. As you see, JC Recto with a steal and a layup on the other end. You know,
I think, this is an inclusive league. We pride on being inclusive, and who are we? Who are we
to exclude
someone who wants to pursue their passion,
right,
and love for the game,
right?
When you're in a position like that, like traps importante, nabigay kay Andrews, Magat sa ilalim.
Nice move. That's a nice move.
This time Magat makes sure and he gets the 2 points.
He was the second player who played the most in terms of minutes, 24 minutes in that game. Imagine if he played 30, 32. Could have increased that. But to your point, tama ka dyan. Dahil yung attention
ng Mindoro, Comboy. Tapik na punta kay RJ Ramirez. Sean Andrews will finish.
Had to be a little creative, no? But no problem para kay Sean.
Ball tap. Nasa loob na pala si White Tamaraw, Ken Bono.
Uy!
Verbal binitbit. And able to finish. 8 points para kay John Herman.
You know who?
De La Cruz, 8 seconds on the shot clock. JV for 3, he knocks it down. 2. Mindoro with a steal. That's Kujamat. Recto, what a finish! We're tied at 24. Kaya mo yun, Christian Juanzo?
Hindi ko kaya yun. Ito, baka pwede pa. Mas simple. Walang switching of the hands in the air.
De La Cruz from the corner. That won't go. CJ Isit with the rebound. Quickly to Comboy. Ino. Spin. Ino, one-hander. Back shot is good.
Well, that's what happens when you get younger athletic guards tulad ni Wendell Comboy. Breakdown move. Full speed. And then a spin move. And then up and under with a nice finish. Oh my goodness! Naglakad sa ere. Moonwalk ba yun?
Abdul against Acosta. Ablaza, libre. Oh.
Ayun na pag-usapan natin kanina. Usually, that's Ablaza Opet.
Rebound is CJ Isit. Ablaza gets a running start. Set Ablaza again with a finger roll. Bumili si doon May
Double, no?
Yeah. Abdul cleans it up.
Yun ang hindi maintindihan ni Coach Benzi. Yung traffic, pwede mong intindihin.
Gets the layup, but not the basket. William Bing off and running. Yambing. Ablaza with a cleanup. RJ Ramirez pulls up. Yan lang ang binibigay na tira ng Batangas. Ablaza
Plaza na naman.
again.
Siya nauuna, no? Ilang fast break na yan.
15 puntos na para kay Seth.
Instead, nagkaroon sila ng advantage sa kabila. Ito, another missed shot, pero Acosta offensive rebound. Last shot na dapat sila rito.
RJ, bagsak kay Tibayan and Jonas Tibayan.
Much needed basket. 25 seconds of the third quarter, 2 turnovers kagad.
Bono
That's a
flips
shot.
it up and in. White time around. Ken Bono.
Before Jokic, bumawi si Yambing, hindi. Ayun lang. Another turnover.
Ablaza. Oh,
Na naman?
siya na naman.
Oo.
17 points para kay Seth Ablaza. To return the favor to Andrews with the block. Ablaza is open, a 3.
I can't believe it. I can't believe na siya ang pinakalibre. You talk about a guy who scored 20 points already in...
Reddit.
Ito, libre si Recto.
Recto. Nice. Ganda pagtanggap niya ng bola eh.
And, in rhythm.
11 points. Community.
Nice.
A strong move galing kay Abdul Sawat.
Nice execution of that empty corner ball.
Tony Yambing. William Bing, dire-diretso. And that is the William Bing that
Made that play possible. That pressure from the backcourt forced Mindoro late in the shot clock, and another forced turnover right here by Batangas, and they attack it once again. But you know, yung unang fast break nila.
Cruz. RJ Ramirez, corner 3, got it. Maybe something that could get Mindoro going here. 6 points para kay RJ. Isit gets away. Abdul. Cranial, no good.
Oh, what a rebound.
Yup,
Twisting in the
bang.
air.
Who is this guy right here? Para sa Batangas.
Oh, blocked by who? Yambing.
Abdul. Oh,
Oh, ganda naman.
ito rin yung magandang pick-up po eh. Si Yambing rises for the 3. It's short. Tapikan ng bola. Ends up with Nermal. Hindi pumasok. Isa pa. John Nermal. 12 rather.
Yeah. Ngayon, switch ang depensa sa ball screen ng Mindoro. May atake, may blow-by, may 2 points.
Gets the rebound. Rodel Vaigan is on the floor. Nermal spins. Couple of fakes. Nermal puts it in. 14 points para kay John Nermal.
Konting tingin ba?
Nermal lets it fly. Pasok yan. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Homeboy with the rebound. Here comes Ino. Runner. Good. Nermal on the cut. Natapik ni Caspe. Perez. Good pass.
Nice. Yeah.
To
Deep pass.
Andrews.
Two good plays, no, by Perez. The
Looking for a way through. And Sean Andrews.
Mas maging decent naman, no, yung final score.
A lot of papawis time. Andrews will fly.
Ayan, tulad niya. Stop, finish, forces a timeout.
It's off to the left para kay John Nermal. Perez, Recto rather, with a fadeaway.
Nice. First basket for a long time. No,
Arim. Yes.
a much better looking shot by Arim. If you remember his shot.
Really drive left.
Yeah,
off
I
the
was
bounce.
about to say. I was about to say. Ganda na observation pa rin.
Partner, lagi mo na ako kino-compliment ngayon. I'm so flattered.
Have I?
Yeah.
I didn't notice.
You've been validating my
Oh my goodness.
my insights.
Something's wrong with me.
Oh,
Lord help me. But I don't think Comboy needs any help with that. Perez, huh? I'm telling you.
A lot of
Showing some
upside.
skill.
A lot of upside.
No. This time, the outside shot.
Yambing, atake sa gitna.
Kinaliwa pa.
I like this rejuvenated version of Will Yambing. Right?
Price is right.
Gusto mo yun, ha?
You remember that show?